Don't get caught out using your phone while driving and face big fines or losing your license. If you own a current model Workmate, SR or SR5 Hilux, you need a Polaris Maxx. With one of these, you'll never need to touch your phone while driving. With Android support standard as well as an add-on CarPlay dongle, you can set up your apps to run off the massive 10.1-inch screen. The Polaris Maxx can also run HEMA off-road maps and TomTom navigation and plugs into your existing reverse camera, but also has inputs for front and extra rear cameras too. Add to that split screen mode and the ability to integrate other handy features like tyre pressure monitoring and engine monitoring units, and the Polaris Maxx is the last head unit you'll ever need. The Polaris Maxx is the perfect unit for work and play, and it'll transform your Hilux. Give Polaris a call on 1300 5555 14 today to get one of your own.